Tracy. Mama kwa bali nukuza masalaza.
Tavi.
Nati wabadde ki?
Boda tazimanyi boda yangu.
Olabi neto suliveko byakati bye kigere kwanga manyi kigere kigenda kuwona. Tracy bizibu bibino bipitirira boss.
Ate bizibu kibanange lero.
Nditwala naje waka. Nsasula for rent. Nibakati bamanja nkaka.
Nazigamba bva ku nyumba ezebbe. Ida ku nyumba ya mitwala 2.
Tracy muno omwe utweragira. Ojabe nenga tunjira. Ojira bulungi. Nenga tobambanja.
Bakubanja
bambanja bandi bubi.
Waze wa Sylvia wono jaye ebintu by'ebbanja.
Kati Tracy omanyi nawe. And do you see this laptop?
What's wrong with you?
Ojabe no laptop kati?
Yeah.
Kati kangenda kugisinga.
Is it yours?
Bampe sente.
Yiyo.
Don't ask. Later bibanange. The problem is that am I going to?
I know, but I have a solution.
Solution?
Yes. Nina omusajja wakulaba. Agamba oh my god. Bannanga kufiyako.
Checho.
Aikikola ekyo.
Chikola aine motoka.
Ero zemu kirasi mmotoka. Ebintu nabiga biveeko.
Tracy nagamba sagala bana. No, nakugamba sagala bana basajja basibese banya emigwa bisibira kuli eri ku bipale jabe. No, I told you I need a man.
Do you think I can bring a man that suits you?
Aine motoka, nga ine nyumba, tagenda kumenya mu finance.
Ekiko wetaaga sente sikyo.
Wetaaga sente. Debubi.
Naye amagezi baleko gabwa. Sente bado ogenda zifuna. Nga mu nyumba ezebbe.
Tracy ndio anokugeti ya mwabwe. Yangu mama. Mulema wange. Nguru kuri kuti I'm fine, how are you?
Chege mpola.
Okay.
Umayera nyino geno kwa fizu yesoro tukunyunga.
Ngera kubachifananyi.
Nyagera kwata mbamazo.
Kuyunga. Okay. So kati tuja kutusiyo.
Kamukubire namugabire nakiriza.
Nakiriza. Kati mfete ngewa. We wakola. Samisi gano.
Kamara mugire. Changu. Hazi wali. Kali. Acha. Oh. Harry.
Oh my god, Tracy. Uncle.
Hello. Oh, smart.
Thank you. And you need to get where is he? Muchibunati. Ori. Tracy, I told you, Jagala Basanja. Men. Omusajja agenda okusasula renti y'ennyumba yange, akusasula jojo school fees, agenda okusasula sente z'amazzi, akusasula sente z'amasannyalaze. Kati Otavi, I know your problems. That's why I brought him. Tukiro maji emitwala aga.
I know that.
Why don't you try him? I try him, yeah. Ngene njukira kuna yala isi.
That's my girl.
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you? I'm called Jordan, and you?
I'm Tavi.
Oh, Tavi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
You're so
too.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Jordan, let me tell you something. Nakuwa ovubuka obwesigama ku motoka isali zaabo. And ebisama airtime.
Oh.
Look at this.
Yes.
200,000. I think, look at my nails. And the way I'm dressed. Shopping gang in Chikoya was Livia Award. Together, Jordan. I think you can't handle. Yeah. Nice day.
I done? Oh God, yes.
Tracy?
Yes, yes.
Kati obukugu kuli kutya?
Jagena mpola.
Actually, mbadde njagala okufuna ebyokunywa.
Kati,
that is airtime. Because okubidde nnyama
Funny, thanks for appreciating.
Wangamba mbu tolina modem.
Yimune yagwako.
Yegula modem? No, modem ya centimeter.
Era neshidowa.
Okay, ya modem and Tracy?
Yes.
Wangamba mbu kosi wakawo ate simanyi okola liki. Kadi ne laptop wakangamba de tutandikozesa konzika njikuleetere njikuwadde obenga kosi wakatubona bana te wansi bakutayipingire. That is your laptop. Tracy?
Yes.
Please tokozesa boda. Ogambye ogenda wa?
Ngenda kwa HK.
Jankulayo.
Bandange.
Jankulayo.
Say you.
Kakati Tracy. Soko ninizi.
Hey.
Ngokulotya.
Ya ngira.